Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up a Ryobi 1 cordless brad nailer. Now this model is P321. It's about $200 Canadian. It will drive brad nails in between 5/8 to 2 inches, and those are the 18 gauge nails, not the finishing nails, but the brads, okay? So let's get into it. It says airstrike technology, no compressor, gas cartridge, or hose needed. Up to 1,900 nails driven per charge. They claim it's the lightest cordless brad nailer in its class, and it doesn't have the weight, so I can't help you there. It has a 105 brad nail capacity in the magazine. The nose is 45% smaller, provides tight spot access, so really good in like corners and things. Just making the nose narrower and on a 45-degree angle. That really helps get into those tight places. Tool-free depth of drive adjustment, and then convenient adjustment dial regulates air pressure, and that's to drive the nails in. So there's two different ways that you can adjust the depth of your nail. And then there's a tool-free jam release, which is on the front of the gun, which is absolutely imperative no matter what you buy, whether it's cordless or whether it's for your air compressor. Make sure it's got the toolless jam release, because these things do jam up, and you don't want to break out your Allen key and mess around with it when you can just pop it off and open it up, take out the nail, clip it back on, you're back in business. Okay, it says it's 12% more compact. I guess it's comparing it to the last model. It doesn't say, and it's made in Vietnam. All right, so let's open this up and we'll have a look at it. And it claims that it has a 3-year warranty, and this one is the tool only. It didn't come with a battery. So let's pull this out. The packaging looks really nice. It is all cardboard packaging, which means that you can recycle the box really easily, which is something I always look for. And then here it is. Comes with, your manual. A little Ryobi poster. Shows you all the tools that are available. Lawnmowers, tools, everything. There's tons. Lots of Ryobi stuff that you can buy. What's this guy here? Register your product and win $10,000, your chance to win. I've never been able to register any of my products. I don't know whether you just can't do this in Canada or what. But this is it. This is your guy. It's not heavy, but it's not light. Okay. This part here is the quick jam release. So you pop that open, and then you can lift this up. And this is where your nails get jammed in. So you want to close that, and then there's a hook. Close that, put the hook on, and then that cam locks it in place. So really easy to use. Okay, this is your non-marring head. I don't have the battery in this, so I'm not going to get shot. And then here's your magazine. So you just grab the button, you release it, pull the magazine out. So what you do is you take your nails, put them sideways here, head up here, right? And sharp pointy end down at the bottom. Slide it shut until it locks. Really simple, easy to use. Put in your battery. Then you have, this is your air adjustment up here. You can adjust more or less air. And here, over here is your depth of nail adjustment. So you can adjust that as well. It has what appears to be some mounts. So you can mount like potentially a belt clip or something. I haven't seen any accessories for this, but it's got one on either side. So I'm assuming, oh, and it says use only the batteries that are specified in the operator's manual. So probably the larger batteries are what you're going to need for this, like a 4 amp hour battery. Okay. Yeah, so nice little tool. It's got that new plastic smell. I've got a renovation project on the go, and I'm building my wall out a touch for some foam insulation I'm putting on the inside. You'll see it in other videos that I'm doing, but that's what we're going to do. We are going to drive a few nails around the window to build my window out. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's got a light on it. It's got a little LED light. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. All right. So let me just line this up where I want it, and let's take a shot. Wow. Alright, so now I'm into some 3/4 inch pine, so I've switched the nails over to 1 1/4 inch. So let's get this all set up where I want it here. Get this lined up here. Alright, I was officially impressed with this. I did get one jam, which I cleared out really quickly. This cam action is really awesome. The only problem I had when I went to clear the jam, it's best to pull the nails out first, because the nails will go shooting right out through there because of the spring. I've never had that on my other guns, but maybe I pulled the nail out on the other gun, the nails out on the other guns. I can't actually remember, but I was a little surprised with that. So this worked flawlessly. It set the depth nicely. It was quieter than I expected, and it was faster than I expected. So when you use the air brad nailers, they're really quick, like click, click, click. You can motor right along. Now this isn't that fast, but it was much faster than I had anticipated. So yeah, if you're looking for something that will fit the bill, this will do a lot of work for you. I was really impressed with it. So it'll shoot up to 2-inch brads. 5/8 inch to 2 inch is the range for this one. And I've used a few brad nailers. I've got a crown stapler. I've got a stapler nailer, a nailer, and a pin nailer. And this is my first battery one, and I'm surprised. It was very good. So I've got a big compressor. I can't carry that around with me anymore. So I'm looking at these battery-powered tools a little more seriously. Okay. So it was over $200 for me to get a pancake compressor, and that came with a brad nailer, but it didn't come with a hose or anything. And it would be useful to carry it around, or something like this with the batteries, which I already have the batteries. Now, if I didn't have the batteries, this would have been more expensive. Perhaps roughly the same price, a little bit more expensive because of the battery cost. But since I already have batteries for this, yeah, it worked really, really well. I'm very impressed. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. I've got a lot of trim to do, crown molding, baseboard, casing, all that stuff. I've got lots of that coming up in the near future. So if I have an issue with this, I will let you know. I will make a subsequent video for this guy. But as it stands right now, after my initial use, I'm very pleased with this. I was very impressed. Right. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in content like this, please subscribe and you'll see more. There's lots more stuff on my channel, DIY stuff. Just click on my channel, click on videos, and then you can scroll down. There's over 200 videos on my channel right now. All DIY, automotive, household stuff. All right? Anyway, thanks for watching.